Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain GUARDA Crypto Wallet app to see if it's worth using. GUARDA is non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet that supports over 400,000 digital assets across more than 70 blockchains. Available on mobile, desktop, and web platform, it allows users to buy, store, send, and exchange cryptocurrency while maintaining full control over their private keys. The app offers features like staking for select asset, integrations with Ledger hardware wallet for enhanced security, and a prepaid Visa card for a spending crypto. However, users should note that GUARDA lacks two-factor authentication and it is not fully open source, which may be a concern for some regarding transparency and security. Additionally, transaction fee can be relatively high, especially for in-app crypto purchase, which range from 4.5% to 5.5%. GUARDA Wallet is a versatile and user-friendly option for managing a wide array of cryptocurrency, particularly for those who value self-custodies and cross-platform accessibility. Its extensive asset support and additional features like staking and hardware wallet integration make it appealing for both beginners and experienced users. However, potential users should weigh the high transaction fee and the absence of certain security features when considering it if it is the right wallet for you to use. And that's it.